In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change Apple Watch hand wrist detection. All you have to need, press the crown to go to your app screen. In app screen, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on general settings. Under general settings, scroll down. So you have to tap on orientation, and here we can see the wrist. So you can select your left or right wrist and then scroll down, and here we can see the digital crown. So currently I've selected digital crown at right section. So I'm going to selecting here left, and then we can see my Apple Watch wrist successfully changed to left side. Now I can easily use my watch on my right hand also. So that's how you can actually change Apple Watch hand or wrist detection.